I am tired of going on bad dates. Some guys don't even understand the basics of it and then keep crying. मुझे date नहीं मिल रही, मुझे बंदी नहीं मिल रही, I'm not committed. अरे basics तो समझो यार. So I'll tell you, recently I met this guy on Hinge and he was really good looking, tall, green-eyed. I had amazing conversation with him. We decided to go on a date and we went to this really nice bar. While we were having our drinks, we just came close and there was this very bad stench around him. And I couldn't understand what it was, so I brushed it off for the first time. The moment I would come close, it would come again. And then I realized that it was his bad breath and it really turned me off. And I think that was the first and the last time we met. So here's my friend Kanya and we will tell you 6 things that really turn off girls on a date.
मेरा क्वेश्चन तो दो. Okay, let's start. So point number 6 is bad breath. I mean यार सुबह का क्या क्या खाया होता है with onion and garlic. Apparently you should avoid having like a heavy hefty meal like a gravy before a date. But if you can't avoid मम्मी के हाथ का राजमा चावल with onion and chutney, brush कर लो यार.
वो छोड़ यार, do you know that dehydration is a big cause of bad breath?
What?
Yes, so actually guys don't even drink enough water and उसके ऊपर से mouth wash करके आ जाते हैं ये सोच के, वो भी alcohol वाला, thinking that that will help curb bad breath, but that actually leads to dry mouth, which even worsens it. Either brush your teeth, which is I think a must, or use an alcohol-free mouthwash.
Or pop a mint, have a chewing gum, do something.
Yeah, just use a mouth spray, man. It's just basic.
Like you put a cologne before going out, right? Do something for your mouth as well. You have to speak, you have to get, if you want to get close with a date, you should do this, man.
Point number 5, unkept nails. Have you seen those guys? ऐसे
Long nails and only एक ही finger का nail बड़ा होता है apparently.
वो छोड़ो यार, उसके अंदर dirt होती है यार, और उसके बाद उन्हीं हाथ से आप वो खा रहे हो खाना. I was like, it is
I mean,
so...
I stopped eating after that. I am full. Thank you.
I don't want to share that dish only. It's like basic. Cut your nails and come.
Wash your hands, apply some hand cream, cut your nails.
ज़्यादा expectation है. Nails
Daily
काट
काट लो.
हाँ, मतलब इतना तो कर ही सकते हो ना.
So man, we like spend like 1,000 to 2,000 bucks for getting our manicure and pedicure done.
By monthly, Kanya, by monthly, मतलब 4,000 रुपए.
I mean, cut your nails. कितने का आता है एक nail cutter? I mean,
मम्मी से कटवा लो यार, खुद नहीं काट पाते हो तो.
too much. And you know all the food and all, I don't know what all is there behind those nails. I mean,
I actually saw a guy
yeah.
who had like nails longer than mine and they were black. Like
Oh
they
my
were
God. Like a
black.
Bhootnath ki nails.
उससे भी गंदे थे.
Too much.
Please keep your nails clean, guys.
And point number 4 is like unkempt hair and unkempt beard. मतलब अगर खेती उगाई है तो अच्छे से रखो भाई उसको.
भाई कुछ guys they wear, so a lot of guys actually wear black on their dates, right?
Yeah.
And have you seen those cases where the guy is wearing black and there's dandruff all over his shoulders? It is like all that white spots.
Like a landscape.
Landscape or a landslide?
Yeah, that. Use a good shampoo, conditioner and a serum. Shampoo ही कर लो भाई.
हाँ, ऐसा ना हो कि तेल लगा के आ जाओ एकदम चंपू से बाल बना के, right? It is, so actually good kept beard is such a big turn on, but it's a very thin line, man.
Yeah.
Very thin line.
Either इस पार या उस पार. You choose your पार. So I remember this date I had gone to and this guy had like beard. I mean beard is good if you keep it properly, you know. Of course, always. So that guy had hair on his cheeks. मतलब I couldn't focus on what he was saying. मेरा ध्यान उधर ही था and I wanted to get rid of that so bad. It's so distracting.
If you would have had a razor,
I would have done it. I would have shaved. कि भाई मैं कर देती हूँ.
Point number 3 is table manners. So I think guys don't understand a concept known as table manners. While they'll eat, they will talk. I don't understand.
मुंह खोल के खाएंगे. They will chew loudly.
या फिर there was a guy who would pick his nose while eating. And I was like,
Oh my
you're
God.
eating with the same hands. I could not eat that day, Kana. It was really bad. I had to come back home hungry and eat Maggi.
Oh God, sorry, I'm so sorry for you.
And I think another issue is that guys talk very, very loudly
Yeah,
on a date.
yeah.
You're there with me.
Exactly.
Why does everybody else need to know
Know
what
about
you're
it.
speaking about?
Yeah.
So I think that's also a problem. So basic table manners बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है मेरे हिसाब से तो.
And yeah, I went to this date and that guy burped in front of me.
Oh,
And
shit.
it wasn't a pleasant burp, let me tell you.
Ouch.
And so it's basic manners. You pull the chair for the lady. You like speak in a very polite and patient manner. It's called chivalry, guys.
And the way you call the server.
Yeah,
Very, very
of course,
important.
of course.
It is very, very
That's
important.
a check mark for the date, yeah.
Yeah, and it also speaks volumes about you and your
Yeah,
upbringing, right?
true,
Like, I
true.
don't understand why do you have to call a server waiter?
Yeah.
I
Or you
just-
call him like.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's really bad.
So number 2 is bad body odor. मतलब हम लड़कियाँ like we buy like underarm roll-ons, body mist, perfumes, and not any other perfume. We spend like a hefty in thousands for like a good luxury brand perfume. And you guys just show up. That's not enough. I mean, take it in writing. Please shower before a date, and apply some deodorant, like a good perfume, yaar.
हाँ मतलब I'll tell you actually.
Yeah.
One date I went to, amazing. The guy had a shower. I think he used a nice Bath and Body Works shower gel.
Yeah.
But he smelled so good. It was such a pleasant experience.
It's a major turn on when a guy smells good. Like borrow it from your sister or mother, but smell good, man.
Yeah, I think I won't mind somebody using a feminine
Yeah.
perfume, but like if they're smelling good,
Yeah.
it's definitely a major turn on. मुझे लगता है actually guys को date लड़कियां मिल नहीं रही होती हैं, ठीक है?
Yeah.
ऊपर से एक मुश्किल से एक डेट मिली होती है and they're already so nervous और nervousness में they become all this sweaty, right?
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है these guys should carry, like every guy should carry a small perfume
True.
or deodorant in their car
You got
or
it.
with them.
Yes.
I think it is a very very big must. It really helps. मतलब वो जो nervousness और anxiety का sweat है
And it
ना,
will cover up. It will give you some confidence also. You know?
Ah, I
If you're smelling good, it gives you good confidence.
always, I mean, it's a plus for me.
Yeah.
And as a girl also, I don't think it's a guy thing.
Guy thing only, right?
So yeah, I think that's definitely there.
So guys, universal thing, have a good body odor.
So point number 1 and the most important point is smile. A smile can do wonders. I think a smile makes a girl the most comfortable in a date.
Yeah.
मतलब a good smile or a good set of teeth is like that comfort
It's
that
like
you
a warm
want.
soup.
A warm
It-
hug.
Yeah.
A hug without a hug, right? So
Yeah.
it's like if the guy's teeth are not stained, right?
Yeah.
There's no food stuck between his teeth.
मतलब ये नहीं पता चलना चाहिए तुमने लंच में क्या खाया है. मतलब
That,
use a flosser and like clean your teeth and come.
Yeah, it just like if your teeth, like if there is no food in between your teeth, or when you're talking, I am concentrating on your eyes and not your teeth.
Yeah, that's
right.
better.
That's where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it is a constant, like a pet peeve for me, right? Where
Yeah.
I'm like looking at his teeth and feeling disgusted, but I don't want to show that expression on my face.
Yeah, you want to be
And, yeah,
polite.
be polite and be like, okay,
Yeah. I'm totally, hearing what you're saying.
but I can't concentrate. Like, I think there were a couple of times when I actually couldn't respond to the person.
Yeah.
Because all
Sorry,
I was
come
thinking, what is this between his teeth?
You're so distracted.
Yeah, so I think it is very important that, your teeth are clean and
You floss, or you brush properly. And so that when you smile, that person should fall for you automatically. There's nothing more you have to do now. So guys, if you want to go on 6 more dates, please follow these 6 basic things.
वरना हमें एक और वीडियो बनानी पड़ जाएगी.
चलो भाई लड़कों, अब अगला काम करो यार. इतना नहीं सुन सकता मैं.